Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have x square minus x cubed is equal to 12, and we will solve this problem for the real values of x. Okay, so first you remember one thing is that x belongs to R. We can just solve only for real value. So the very first thing we are going to do is first I will rewrite the equation as x square minus x cubed. We move this 12 from right hand side to the left hand side so that it will become minus 12 is equal to 0. And after that I can break this minus 12 and we will rewrite this minus 12 as minus 8 and minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we will rewrite this equation as x square minus x cubed minus, here you have 8, and we will write this 8 as 2 cubed minus, here you have 4, and we will write it as 2 square is equal to 0. Now we make the pairs of cubic terms and square terms so that we will make the pair of x square with minus 2 square, and we will make the pair of these two cubic terms. So here you see that both terms are negative, so we will take common minus sign, and here you get x cubed plus 2 cubed is equal to 0. After that we will use here the nice famous formulas, and you know that if we have a square minus b square, so it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. Similarly we will apply here the cubic formula, and you know that if we have a cube plus b cube, it is equals to a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. Now we will use here these two formulas so that first I can apply here the square formula, so that this term will be written as x minus 2 times of x plus 2, and this is minus, and we can apply the cubic formula in this term so that it will be written as x plus 2 times of x square minus 2x plus 2 square. So after that you can focus both of the terms, and we will see that x plus 2 will present on both of the sides, so that we will take common x plus 2 and we will get the output in this form. And so here you have x minus 2, and here you get minus times of this whole term. So we will multiply this minus sign from each term, and you get minus x square plus 2x minus, here you have 2 square which is equals to 4 and whole equal to 0. So here you have two cases. The first case is we take x plus 2 is equal to 0, and the other case is we take this whole term equal to 0. So that we will first simplify this term, and here first we have minus x square, and now you have this 2x plus x, it is equals to plus 3x, and here you have minus 2 and minus 4 is minus 6 is equal to 0. So now first I can solve the first case. So here you get x is equal to minus 2, and this is the first root of the given nice equation. So in order to find the other real roots, first I will check this quadratic equation has real roots or not. So I can use the discriminant formula. So discriminant formula gives us this equation has real roots or not. So that first I can multiply this equation, or I can just write it here as it is, so that here you have the value of a is minus 1, the value of b is 3, and the value of c is minus 6. And you know that discriminant is equals to b square minus 4 times of ac, and you know about this discriminant formula if this discriminant is less than 0, then we can say that this equation has complex roots or no real roots. Okay, and if this discriminant is greater than 0, then we can say that this equation has two real roots. And if this discriminant equal to 0, then we can say that this equation has one real root. So now I can just put the values of a, b and c and check that the behavior of d, so that the value of b is 3. So when we put here, it will becomes 9 minus 4 times of a and c, and the value of a is -1 and the value of c is -6. So here you get minus minus plus, and 6 fours are 24. So 9 minus 24 is equals to -15, and here you see that it is less than 0. So we can say that this quadratic equation has no real roots, so that we will just reject it this case, and we can just proceed this case only. And in this case we have x is equal to -2 be the only solution of the given equation. So in order to check this solution, we can just put here x square minus x cube is equal to 12. It is the given equation. So now we put here x is equal to -2, so it will becomes -2 square minus 2 cubed is equal to 12, and -2 square is 4, and -2 cube is -8, and minus minus plus 8 is equal to 12. So it will becomes 12 is equals to 12. So this shows that x is equal to -2 satisfies the given equation. So finally we say that x is equal to -2 be the only solution of the given nice equation. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.